On today's video, I assemble a 16-inch Princess bike by Huffy. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I assemble a 16-inch Princess bike by Huffy. Let's get going. All right, let's get this opened up. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but my kids are right outside playing, so I'm not trying to make a whole lot of noise. Since the quarantine's going on, it's very hard to do stuff unless I want to do it after they go to bed, but really, I just want to watch TV when they go to bed. That's me though. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh my, look at that. It's a basket. Nice. Handlebars. That's always helpful. This seat. Another helpful item. What else? Oh, look at that. What? Oh, no. Well, since my kids are older and they don't need these, let's just get rid of those right now. They don't need those. My kids are big kids. Oh, yes. Here it is. Let's take everything out of it. Another tire. Oh. What else? Packaging material. Look at these pedals. Wow. Oh, streamers. I think I might keep these. Yeah. That's it. Let's get that out of here. Alright. Let's get the first thing here. Why don't we go ahead. Let's put on the seat. Very easy to assemble this. Got instructions here. I don't need these either. Alright. Oh yes, easy. Look at that. If you notice on here, well, you won't notice, you probably can't see it, but there's a line where it says where to go to. So. Alright. Okay. Let's go ahead. There. Get my adjustable wrench. Make sure that everything is straight on there. I'll probably put a little bit of oil in these bearings here, just to make sure that they're nice, because they feel a little, I don't know, a little dry maybe. Maybe not, but There we go. Let's make sure. There we go. Go. There we go. The wrench. Oh, wrong way. Perfect. Great. Broken. Well, I guess Mommy's gonna have to do some emails to Huffy and see what we have to do to take care of that. All right. What do we have left? This. Let's put on these. On these pedals, they are marked on them left and right, so make sure you do that because you probably spend a little more time than you should have to if you don't pay attention. Not that I did that. Alright. All right. Let's go ahead. I don't understand why bikes don't come with kickstands anymore. I don't understand that. Let's put it against this. Like that. Next thing I'm gonna do is I got these nice streamers. It comes with a sort of like a basket carriage thing. I guess all princesses have to have carriages. So, right there. I might actually need some directions on how to put this together. I usually put together carriages. Oh my, look at this. Comes with a little seat belt in there for it. I would assume for her princesses. Of course. Alright, I think that's it. I hope so. Wow. What do you guys think? Besides the broken chain guard, which I'm going to take a picture of and have my wife email them at Huffy, I think it turned out very nice. Maybe ready for my daughter to have a good time. And the last thing I want to show you on this bike is how to put the training wheels on. My daughter won't be using the training wheels. She's old enough that she doesn't need them, but I know there's other people out there that will be putting it together, so I'm going to put one side on it and show you how to do that. And both sides are exactly the same. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. You have like this special washer that goes into it. You got your training wheel. You put the washer on first, then the training wheel, then the bolt. Then you just tighten it up. And that's it. Very easy. That's going to do it for today's project. If you like any of the products used today, the links to the products are down below. If you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at dadlifeprojects or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Remember, for any project you do, you are the project manager. See you next time.